New criminal charges have been filed against 3 former top administrators at Penn State University as a result of the ongoing investigation into sexual assaults committed by Jerry Sandusky on the campus of Penn State. The investigation has continued, and in addition to the existing charges, Schultz and Curley are now also charged with criminal conspiracy, obstruction of justice, and endangering the welfare of children. Former Penn State University President Graham Spanier, to whom both Schultz and Curley reported back then, is also charged with 5 counts in connection with his role in the Sandusky investigation. And those counts are criminal conspiracy, obstruction of justice, endangering the welfare of children, failure to report suspected child abuse, and perjury for making false statements to a grand jury. This case is about 3 powerful and influential men who held positions at the very top of one of the most prestigious universities in the nation. 3 men who used their positions at Penn State to conceal and cover up for years the activities of a known child predator, who allowed him to freely use university facilities and then repeatedly obstructed attempts by law enforcement and investigators to gather evidence about the Sandusky assaults. This was a conspiracy of silence by top officials working to actively conceal the truth, with total disregard for the children who were Sandusky's victims.
There were lies told, there was obstruction of justice, there was subpoenas that were failed to be complied with. And this led to a lengthy investigation and made it very difficult to find the truth in this particular case. You'll see a lot of concerns expressed by these 3 men. They had concerns for the university, they had concerns for each other, and they had concerns even for Jerry Sandusky, that he would be treated humanely. But the one fact that you will find lacking is any concern or even discussion about the children that were victimized or any other children that could have been victimized. It's a shocking document as far as I'm concerned.
Made a copy for herself, and subsequent to that, we found out about the file when during the grand jury process, and we managed to get it into our possession. Yes.
General Kelly, this issue, whether it took too long or not, that's been asked over and over, as you said. In the context of that, that's an issue in the Attorney General's race, which is on Tuesday. Can you comment on the timing of the filing of these charges 5 days before an election? Why not a week ago? Why not next Wednesday?
Because they're right now. The grand jury's completed its process. The presentment has been returned, and I can tell you unequivocally that the charges being filed today have no relationship whatsoever to any election, and conversely, the election has never had any influence or anything to do with this investigation, which has been going on for a long, long time. In the back.
Some of these emails are from the Free Report. The Free Report hasn't been done with these charges.
I'm sorry, repeat that. I think I heard it.
Some of the emails in the grand jury presentment are emails that were first saw in the Free Report. Free haven't gotten a hold of those emails with these charges becoming. Because you said that you were blocked from information from Penn State, so obviously through that information you didn't.
No, the charges absolutely would have been filed, because once Penn State started to comply with our subpoenas, we received those same emails pursuant to the subpoena. Yes, sir.
There was a filing yesterday at Schultz matter that mentioned an October 24th, 2011 interview.
Individuals in this conspiracy of stuff. Anyone else that heard something, saw something, came forward, tried to come forward, and one of these individuals allegedly told him, keep your mouth shut.
Well, if you have that information,